Okay, so what we have here is a very small database list, as we would call it. And what's kind of interesting about it is that you'll notice a repeating of information here. Now, originally, what we had come in here was what you see here in column A, which is this like a lowercase version of these customer IDs. You would have also seen something like this where there was a lot of extra space between the data and so forth. And over here, the first letter of each name was, lowercase and not uppercase and so forth. And also, we have over here our email addresses that were originally in uppercase. Now, what we did was we inserted new columns, next to each of them, and we put a formula in that would correct the issue that we had. So in essence, for this first one here, for the customer ID, we used a function. Now, all these functions that I'm about to show you here, you're going to see these demonstrated in the function formulas set of videos. That would be like the Module 5 of Excel videos. And we go into all these thoroughly. So if you're interested in that, take a look at those videos. So we're not going to worry about what the function formulas are here in this case. We want to go kind of beyond that. And what I'm saying here is that we did these formulas, all right, to make this happen. So we got, in this case, it all in uppercase. Well, once you've done that, though, we really don't need to have this here, all right? But the problem is that the formula that we have here is referring to this. And it's referring to this to get the uppercase version of it to put it here. Well, if we get rid of column A, we lose this. So I'll just show you here. If I go over here to column A, I right-click it, I hit delete, I get a referential error. So that's going to be a problem. Now you might say, well, how about if you hide the column? I suppose we could go there and we could hide column A. It's just it looks kind of dumb. And people are going to ask, oh, hey, there's something missing here. Why are you hiding stuff? And it gets to be a hassle. The much easier way is to take this set of cells that we have formulas in, remove the formula, but leave behind the result of that original formula. All right? Now here's how we do this. We select this range, all right, just like that. We right-click it, and we hit copy. All right? Now, that whole thing has gone into the computer's memory. Now, we immediately do a right-click on it, and we hit the 1, 2, 3, the paste special in here, in essence, but it says 1, 2, 3, the values. What it does is by choosing values, okay, it pastes back one for one each of these, the value that formula gave it, but it doesn't put back the formula. See, so as you can see here now, no longer do we have the formula up here. Now all you see is as if we had typed it in. So if we've done that, then all we have to do then, no longer is this dependent upon A. So now we can go to A, right-click it, and delete it. Takes care of that one. Pretty easy, right? So this next one over here, we're using the trim function to say, okay, trim out all the extra space, basically, of, in this case, B2. Well, okay, so you got that in there. So now what we do is we select it, right-click it, hit copy, right-click it, 1, 2, 3. So now no longer is that formula in there. Now we can go to B, right-click it, right-click it, and hit delete. And there it goes. Pretty easy. All right. Same thing here for the contacts. On here we're using the proper function, so we're going to go ahead and select that. Right-click it, and then hit what? Copy, right? And then right-click, and then 1, 2, 3. go over to here, right-click it, delete it. There we go. Over here, we're using a function called lower. It just makes everything lowercase. A lot of people like to see email and also domain names in lowercase like this. So again, we'll select it, right-click it, hit copy, right? And then right-click it, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Go back to D, right-click it, and delete it. There we go. So now we fixed up our little database list to having it look the way that we want it to look. But again, you'll learn this in Module 5 of Excel. But just the idea of getting it all now to where we want it to look, in the beginning. So hopefully this helps you, and hopefully you like this video. Take care.